Rape kids and steal Albert ideas. Try to make money out of my shit.
Good for your heart. Now, look at that.
That's the opportunity. Turn around right there.
Develop a thankful lifestyle.
Okay, so
Yeah, that's what's up.
we talk about Mary Hart doesn't
Like messing.
Hey, that's cool.
thankful hearts, Mary.
I got a chick, man. Finally can't fuck. Cause everybody trying to fuck me. I'm looking at them like, ooh wee, pukes away. Them cats, they pussy. You don't really do shit but harass me. I'm gonna come out and cash free. But you treat me like a shit, man. Oh shit. Oh. I can't even motherfucking fuck. I can't fucking nut. Put my dick out for what? Put my dick out for what? So I'm just something, man. Make this nigga walk.
From global conflicts to personal struggles, it can seem as if the darkness has eclipsed the light of Christ around 2,000 years ago. But today we explore why Jesus remains the true light of the world. And
They're gonna try to make
ultimately
reverse the president.
Sunday morning at 7 on
Oh goddamn. Oh goddamn. Oh shit. That feels good. I put a woman inside of me. I can feel the pussy on it. This nigga pressing Williams. He's turning the thing down. Turning my sensation down. He's a hoe. Faggot. Pussy. I'm a smart nigga. I'm a smart individual. I gotta deal with a mindless individual. Fuck. That's stupid. That's fuck. Why the fuck I gotta deal with a crook? Why can't he go to jail? Huh? He got child pornography from my daughter? Huh? That's the truth. I ain't got no love for him. All he got to do is try to steal and rape on kids. My kids. And kidnap my kids. He even said that shit. Damn, boy. But that, just by saying that, you know, you can go to jail? Huh? What? Huh? You know, just saying you kidnap kids. That's like, that's almost like worse than terrorist today. I just told that motherfucking officer there. This guy pressed me and said he gonna kidnap my kids today. If I don't give him my artwork, that's nothing. Hey, that's good. I'm finding ways to get your ass locked the fuck up to keep on fucking harassing me and shit. Jumping my fucking shit. Buy me a phone. Make me walk. Walk. Arkansas River. Chances to Arkansas River. That was nice to me. Fuck person. The fuck good as he do me? Good as he do me? Ain't like he give me any money. You owe me money and shit talking about some give him my house just so he can sell it. I never see that. Won't see the nigga again. What's up here, honey? Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, let me see. Oh, wait on. Tight. Honey strokes me. Just in the microwave for a second. Oh, shit. Turn you on. Hey. These motherfuckers want me to be a faggot. Like Preston Williams and what? And Sweet Pea. The fuck? I'm a man. I'm just like fucking other men. What's up? I guess that's what's up. I like the shit. I ain't never done it. That's y'all. Always trying to steal my legislation. Always trying to steal my legacy. Drifts and songs. And spirits. And this and that. Well, y'all want to sit down? Huh? What? What? Yeah.